Hello and welcome to another video. Over the last month, many birds have migrated to Ireland to spend the winter. In this video, I went looking for some of these winter visitors, and in the process I ended up seeing 3 lifers. This video begins at Killshannig in Castle Gregory, which is in the west of Kerry, where I went looking for a particular winter visitor, the purple sandpiper. As soon as I arrived, I saw my first few birds of the day. As I continued along the coastline, it didn't take long before I spotted my target bird, as well as some other species. Purple sandpipers visit Ireland in the winter from northeast Canada, Greenland, Scandinavia, Russia, and Siberia. These birds favour rocky shores and harbours, and often mix with ruddy turnstone. A few weeks earlier, I went to Blennerville to see if any winter visitors had arrived. When I arrived at Blennerville, I headed towards Anna Island, en route, seeing plenty of birds. These teals are performing a courtship display to the females. Eventually, I made it to Anna Island, where there was a large feeding frenzy of waders and waterfowl. The great white egret from the last video was still present at the time. These dots in the distance turned out to be greater scaup. These birds used to overwinter at Blennerville in large numbers, however these numbers have decreased over the years. After seeing 2 lifers and getting nice views of the birds at Anna Island, I headed back and saw my last bird of the day. And that brings us to the end of this video. Thanks for watching, and have a happy new year.